Hello students, this particular question is from EC 2017, okay, session 2. Now what is the question that is given? The minimum value of the function f of x is equal to 1 by 3 x into x square minus 3 in the range of x from minus 100 to the value of 100 is dash. So it's a very simple problem because it's a problem from the maximum minima, and we know that how to solve the problem from maximum minima very simply. Okay, given a function, derivate it, okay, you'll get the value equated to 0, and then you do the double derivative. If it is less than 0, it's going to give you the maximum. If it is greater than 0, it is going to give you the value of minimum. So the first thing that we have to do is that we have to apply the first derivative. If you apply the first derivative, this is going to be equal to the of 1 by 3 of 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus 1. The value of x is equal to plus or minus 1. So we are going to have 2 points, right? Second, we are going to go for the second derivative. So f double dash of x is equal to that of 1 by 3 into that of 6x. So this is equal to 2x. If you put x is equal to 1, then you're going to have the value equal to 2. X is equal to 1, then the value of f double dash of x is equal to 2. If it is minus 1, it's going to be equal to minus 2. If you put x is equal to minus 1, the value will be equal to minus 2. We want this particular value because in the case of minimum, the value of f double dash of x is going to be always greater than the value of 0. So this is what I want. So it is this particular point we're going to have a minimum. Put directly the value of f of 1. This is going to give you the minimum value. So 1 by 3 into 1 into 1 minus 3. So this is going to be equal to minus 2 by 3. Now we should not stop here because we should also check at the intervals which are given here. Now if you check the intervals, what is given? If you check at minus 100, then the value of f of minus 100 is equal to that of 1 by 3 minus 100 multiplied by that of minus 100 whole square is going to be that of 100 power 4 minus 3. Okay, so if you observe here, you are going to have a very negative value, minus 100 divided by 3 into 10 power 4 minus 3. Okay, so you have to calculate it, you will get the right answer.